Hey guys, Dave here. I am jumping out of a CASE CX235 machine. We have 10 of these only at an unbelievable deal. So this is our 25.5 ton machine with a digging depth of just over 6.6 meters. And I'm sure you have a lot more technical questions, which is why we've built an AI bot specifically for this model. So we have a massive list of inclusions to go with this deal. A few of them: tilting hitch, 1200mm bucket, reverse cameras, full civil spec. Right, so let's talk price. 250,500 ex-GST. If you're needing finance, 20% deposit, and it's 1.9% over 48 months. Have any questions about it, leave them in the comments below. If you're interested in purchasing one of these machines, fill out the form and one of our guys will reach out to you straight away.